Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Just Dre. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorate my balcony, my apartment balcony. This is the before, it's nothing there, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I, make my space more creative, more me, more peaceful. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I got these palettes from a guy in Las Vegas. I had to run around town for these palettes, but I'm going to be using this as my bed, my little palette, whatever you want to call this. And that's going to be like for me to step on. And then I got little pillows and stuff that I got from the thrift store. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is unrolling my carpet rug, whatever you want to call this, my runner. I got it from Lowe's for about $14, and that's just going to be my rug on my balcony. It's perfect for when it rains and all that stuff, so it doesn't get ruined. It's for the outdoor, to be honest. Alright, so I went to Michael's and grabbed this cushion. I'm going to be using this to glue on top of my palettes that I got. And this is just for it's easy for me to sit on, and I'm using E6000 glue. But yeah, I'm using this cushion. You can see me just cutting it right here. So I'm just going to cut it, so that it's on there perfect. And I'm going to use the E6000 glue to attach the cushion on top. And then you're going to see in the clip that I'm also going to attach some little seating pads, whatever you want to call it. Why do I keep saying whatever you want to call it? But I'm going to be attaching some seating pads on top of the cushions. And then I'm going to be applying this elephant curtain that I found in my trunk that I was going to use for my shower curtain in my bathroom, but I ended up going with a different theme. So that's all that I'm doing in this clip, is just applying the cushion, applying the seating pads, and then applying the shower curtain on top as like a little cover. I'm obsessed with elephants, so I really love the details in the shower curtain, and I think that it adds a really nice touch. So I'm slow motion this. So I use a hot glue gun to attach the lights and to attach the curtains on my patio, my balcony. And I got these lights from a woman on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace, the thrift store, Ross, and Michael's have been my best friend. I got these windpipes from Ross for $10 or $8, something like that. And then I got all of those pillows from the thrift store. I washed them so that they are clean. Whenever you get something from the thrift store, definitely wash the things that you buy. And I got this little plant holder from Ross for $5. The plant inside of it is actually real. I got that from Lowe's for about $6. I don't know the name of the plant. I'm not really a plant girl, that knows the name of the things. But I thought that it was really pretty. And excuse me, I also got this plant on the side. I got the vase from the thrift store for $2 and the flowers from Ross for like $4. I got this little holder from Ross as well for $8. I got the throw color from Ross as well for like $10. So everything, like I said, it's from Ross, a thrift store, Michael's, yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, and nope, not even Hobby Lobby. That's it. In Lowe's, I got those candles. Okay, what? Never mind then. I got this chair from Home Goods for $20. I got the pillows on the chair from the thrift store, like I said. I got the curtains from the thrift store. I got the table from the thrift store. I got the candles from Ross. Yeah. I told you guys where I got the runner from. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. I wanted to put it in slow motion so you guys can know where I got everything from. I didn't record me hanging everything, but I did want to come on here and tell you guys and show you guys, where I got everything from. The little plants in the pots I got from Michael's. The plants I got from Lowe's. The plants are real. The only thing that's not real is the plant in the corner with the little blue vase. That's not real. But everything came together. I really love it. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys love what I put together.